Congratulations to them. Well, these days, businesses across America trying to find a way to survive. Some are depending on a lifeline from the federal government, but we know those loans are turning out to be very hard to get. Brad Jones has more on a local company that was fortunate enough to land one so they could continue turning out spray booths that are made in North Carolina.
We first met the people at Standard Tools in Greensboro last August. They create paint booths that offer a controlled environment for all kinds of paint and coating. But when businesses all over the country had to shut down due to the coronavirus, they faced the same challenges.
We kind of didn't have a real good sturdy plan because it's hard to plan when, the next 24 hours everything's changing.
30% of the staff laid off. But Standard Tools regrouped and applied for a government loan through the Paycheck Protection Program. It was approved, giving them what their general manager calls the equivalent of a life raft when they needed it. And now they've been able to put those employees back to work.
That's got to be a good feeling when you realize all of a sudden, I've got the mechanism in place to put these people back to work.
It's amazing. I think we all wanted to, give big hugs. We couldn't do that, of course, because we are practicing social distancing. But to know that, the orders are still coming in, and now we have the crew to help support those orders and ship those orders. They have a way to provide for their family. We have a way to continue our business through this pandemic. And I think it just gave us a lot of hope that we're going to see the end of this and we'll be okay.
They received the payment during the first round of loans, giving a lot of credit to the financial advice they got during the process.
We had heard stories from a lot of different business owners that this didn't work, that the money ran out, they couldn't get access.
And, it wasn't an easy process. We worked with, a banker that we've had a relationship with for a very long time. They're, intimately involved in our business. And so they were able to kind of step in and help us through that process with all of the documents that were required and information. We worked really hard to get it in as soon as it opened, so we could be one of the first. And, it is tricky and difficult because we know how important this is to small businesses such as ours. So we wish everybody could get it.
They sell equipment to auto body shops as well as a wide variety of other users, including the federal government. While they can now get back to manufacturing what they do best, they've also got to watch how the economy could affect future orders.
This has got to be a tough time to be in business. There's so many ups and downs that are really out of your control, aren't there?
I think the world is in this unknown situation, and so trying to plan forward or have a goal or a strategic way to move out of this is kind of impossible. We're just kind of going day to day and doing the best we can.
That lifeline made the difference for this Greensboro company, bringing employees back to work and guaranteeing them a paycheck during a pretty uncertain time. In Greensboro, Brad Jones, Fox 8 News.